Hi friends, now I would like to give information about what are the matrix operations in MATLAB and how do you apply these matrix operations in MATLAB software. First let us go to the software, open the new script file, suppose like this. I am taking two matrices A and B. Suppose this is one 3 by 3 matrix. Randomly I took the entries. Similarly for B, this is the another 3 by 3 matrix. And to add or subtract any two matrices, the matrices should have the same size. Now observe here, A is with a 3 by 3 and B is with 3 by 3. Now let us see addition. Suppose I would like to find the addition A plus B. Simply once we execute, have a look at the output. So this is the addition of these two matrices. Or if you would like to execute A and B matrices also, you can remove that colon at the end of the A and B syntax. See here, addition of these two simply. Now suppose you would like to find the subtracts. You would like to subtract these two, B from A or A from B. A from B means B minus you can take. Or suppose if you would like to find out a negative of certain matrix, see negative of A, it's simply negative of A, it is. See what it will. See all the negatives. This is the negative of certain matrix. Now let us go to scalar product. A matrix is multiplied by one scalar value. Suppose I will take the scalar value A is equal to minus 3, suppose, or minus 10. Simply I am taking A is a minus 10. Now the scalar product is equal to A star A. See what you will get, A star. A is the matrix, capital A is the matrix, and small a is a scalar value. Now see what is the scalar product. You can take first is the capital and next is the small a, is both are similar. You can take the any operation. So here also you will get the same. Now let us see what is matrix product. See the matrices should be the compatible. The number of columns in the first matrix, it is just like, and number of rows in the second matrix, it is just like. Otherwise the matrices are not possible to take the product. Now let us see what is the matrix product. Matrix product. For the matrix product, simply take A star B. Observe here, A star B. It will give the matrix product. See here, what is the matrix product. The same thing, suppose what is the element by element product. Element by element product. See here, first I would like to execute whatever the A and whatever the B, and what is element by element product. Element by element product of A. For that we have to use the syntax A dot star B. Once we execute this file, observe here A, B, and this is element by element product 1 by 1. Here 1, 4 by corresponding entry in B 4, 16, 9 by 6, 54, 2 by 2, 4, and similarly 3 by 4, 12, like that. This is element by elementary matrix. How do you execute this? Now let us see. I would like to find the square of A. The square of A, it's simply you can take A square. It is nothing but A star A. Square of A is nothing but A square A. I'll just take square. See what is the square of A. So this is the square of A matrix. Or suppose you would like to find out 10th power of A. It's very simple. A, this is a type 10 times we have to product A. So A power 10, see what huge entries we are getting in the A power 10. Now see, let us see how do you find the transpose. How do you find the transpose of the matrix B? suppose transpose of B matrix you would like to find. This is simply just put apostrophes. Suppose B is the matrix here, and what is the transpose of B? Both will execute now. Now let us see what you will get. What is B and what is transpose of B? And see here, this is B and this is the transpose of B. 1, 2, 3 the first row in a transpose, the first column. 4 to 6 the second column. 6, 1, 4 in the third column. So these are the main matrix operations. For more details, you subscribe my channel for getting new updates. Thank you.